Cause what's in your freezer? Hash Rosin, Dab City. Hope my lungs forgive me. Really way too litty. Therapist gave me meds, but I still think out of my head. Therapist gave me meds, but I still think out of my head. Cause what's in your freezer? Hash Rosin, Dab City. Hope my lungs forgive me. Really way.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kels of Kels Talking Gas and Talking Gas, of course. I want to thank you if you're along with me. We got a Shop Hello Mary unboxing we're about to do. It's gonna be something crazy. Let's get into it. That new Shop Hello Mary sticker.
BeatStars.com.
Letter to law enforcement. Markel, thanks for rolling with us. Keep blazing. XO Mary. Another sticker. Okay, we got a gram of the garlic mints. Slurricane Kush gummy samples. SFV OG 3.5. I've been saying this. I always wanted to try this myself. So this will be the first thing I try. Pave Runts. Last but not least, stuffed cherry gelato. I've had lemon cherry gelato. I've never had stuffed cherry gelato. This is 14 G's. Oh man. Big bag status. Hey, let's go. Okay, so the Pave Runts, the smalls as well, they are frosted out. The nose isn't as strong. We're about to get into the stuffed cherry gelato. Oh my, these buds are a whole lot bigger. This looks like some pressure right here. Definitely passed the smell test, the nose test, bag appeal, all that is there with this one. This looks fucking amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the SFV OG. Okay, so Shop Hello Mary SFV OG is an intercalating hybrid known for its deeply relaxation body effects, paired with a light, uplifting mental clarity.
BeatStars.com.
Definitely get that pine taste. There's like a sweet taste to it as well. OG Kush lineage, definitely. This is just some supreme ass smoke. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all.
BeatStars.com.
Write in the comments. Hopefully you smoking with me. What you smoking? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Both channels, please. Follow me on X and Twitch. Ooh, okay. That's how you coming, okay. Ooh. Definitely get the garlic smell. Slight citrus. Kind of like an earthy, sweet smell too as well. I'm ready to get to it.
BeatStars.com.
garlic mints. I see how you coming. That was fucking gas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get into the Pave Runts and the stuffed cherry gelatos. I'm gonna get into those later. But yeah, I'm feeling good right now. You know what I'm saying? Off of the San Fran OG and the garlic mix, hash rosin. I'm good.
BeatStars.com.
Peace.